how media sources work during your time.
The media before is so hard. It takes a long time before you receive a message. Newspapers and magazines were the only primary source of news and information. Their reach was limited by geographical distribution and printing capabilities.
Radio and television emerged as a powerful mass media channels. They offered wider reach but were constrained by broadcast schedule but a limited interactivity. Government regulation played a significant role, content and ownership.
Get information or news from the past. Sa radyo, dahil kami noon mahirap pa lamang ang panahon, wala pa kaming TV noon, kaya radyo na laang. Dahil di battery radyo, walang kuryente, kaya sa radyo kami nakikinig. Sa larangan ng sulat, kailangan ko magsulat para mangamusta sa mga anak ko at kaibigan, ay dinadaan ko sa pagsusulat dahil wala pa naman noon.
Do you communicate with your family or friends before who are far apart from you?
Mga cellphone. Kaya sa mga sulat ko lang dinadaan sa pangungumusta at sa mga kamag-anak ko.
News dissemination was lower compared to today's digital age.
The daily newspaper cycle and broadcast schedules dictated the rhythm of information flow. The situation of pre-digital era was characterized by limited accessibility, centralized control, and slower information dissemination. But it is also laid the groundwork for the digital revolution. The Philippines shared in these global trends while also navigating its unique historical and socio-cultural context.
Hi Miss, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
For you, what is the situation of media nowadays?
For me, the media today is dynamic and complex ecosystem shaped by several key trends, such as the rise of AI, fragmentation and personalization, evolving revenue models that create dark economy and challenges and concerns.
AI tools are automating tasks like content generalization, text, images, video, personalizing recommendation, and optimizing ad campaigns.
New media includes email, social media networks, websites, blog, and virtual reality. The rise of artificial intelligence (AI) is rapidly transforming content generation, text, image, video, personalization, or friends before who are far apart from you. The media today is dynamic and complex ecosystem shaped by